Hello everyone, welcome to Chano TV. First question, what is a place called where lions live? A. Burrow. B. Den. C. Stable. D. Nest. The correct answer is option B. Den. Next question, how do we call the perimeter of a circle? A. Radius. B. Circumference. D. Diameter. D. Chord. The correct answer is option B. Circumference. Next question. What is a term for an animals that eat only plants? A. Herbivore. B. Carnivore. C. Omnivore. D. Insectivore. The correct answer is option A. Herbivore. Next question. What is the scientific name of a group of fish? A. Herd. B. Flock. C. Pack. D. School. The correct answer is option D. School. Where do chicken live? A. Coop. B. Aviary. C. Pack. D. Pen. The correct answer is option A. Coop. Next question. Which bird eats mostly carrion? A. Parrot. B. Vulture. C. Sparrow. D. Hook. The correct answer is option B. Vulture. Next question. What is the main food for swans? A. Fish. B. Insects. C. Aquatic plants. D. Seeds. The correct answer is option C. Aquatic plants. Next question. What geometric shape is formed by spider webs? A. Hexagon. B. Triangle. C. Circle. D. Pentagon. The correct answer is option C. Circle. Next question. Where do polar bears live? A. Tundra. B. Ocean. C. River. D. Desert. The correct answer is option A. Tundra. Next question. Which connects bones to muscles? A. Ligament. B. Tendon. C. Cartilage. D. Nerve. The correct answer is option B. Tendon. Next question. Which organ controls the body's functions? A. Brain. B. Heart. C. Liver. D. Lungs. The correct answer is option A. Brain. Next question. Where do otters live? A. Riverbank. B. Den. C. Burrow. D. Stay. The correct answer is option A. Riverbank. Next question. What part of the eye detects light? A. Cornea. B. Retina. C. Iris. D. Pupil. The correct answer is option B. Retina. Next question. Which is the home of a squirrel called? A. Nest. B. Tray. C. Hive. D. Cave. The correct answer is option B. Tray. Next question. Which animal has a trunk? A. Giraffe. B. Elephant. C. Crocodile. D. Tiger. The correct answer is option B. Elephant. Next question. What do we call a baby deer? A. Calf. B. Fawn. C. Kid. D. Fawn. The correct answer is option B. Fawn. Next question. Where are alveoli found? A. Lungs. B. Kidneys. C. Brain. D. Heart. The correct answer is option A. Lungs. Next question. Which part of the human body contains the most bones? A. Hand. B. Foot. C. Skull. D. Span. The correct answer is option B. Foot. Last question. Which mammal can fly? A. Squirrel. B. Cat. C. Monkey. D. Bat. The correct answer is option D. Bat. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.